To effectively update your Shopify shop's code during weekly Tailgate-style meetings, consider a variety of resources. Firstly, explore the Shopify Help Center available at help.shopify.com. This is a comprehensive resource for understanding the platform's features and functionalities. Secondly, delve into the Shopify developers documentation found at Shopify.dev. This site provides technical information and guides for developers working with the Shopify platform, focusing on API and coding best practices. Thirdly, engage with the Shopify community forums at community.shopify.com, a place to ask questions, share solutions, and learn from other users and developers. For structured learning, consider books and courses. A beginner's guide to customizing your online store, available on Amazon, can help you understand the basics of Shopify's liquid templating language. The Shopify Development Handbook, available at learn.shopify.com, offers guidelines and best practices for developing Shopify applications and themes. Shopify Developers Academy at developers.shopify.com/academy offers structured courses and learning paths for developers looking to master the Shopify platform. Explore third-party resources for themes and templates. ThemeForest offers a variety of Shopify themes at themeforest.net/category/ecommerce/Shopify. Envato Elements provides a wide range of design assets, including Shopify themes, accessible at Elements.envato.com/Shopify themes. CodeCanyon offers scripts and code snippets for Shopify, which can be found at CodeCanyon.net/category/ecommerce/Shopify. Attend community meetups and events to network and learn from other Shopify users and experts. Shopify meetups, listed at meetups.shopify.com, are organized at various locations, providing opportunities to connect with the local Shopify community. Shop Talk, accessible at shoptalk.com, is a podcast and online resource discussing e-commerce and Shopify development topics. Tailgate Market at tailgatemarket.com, depending on your location, might offer a local venue for in-person discussions. For Tailgate-type meetings, consider specific applications to streamline updates. The Tailgate Time Management app, available at apps.shopify.com/tailgate time management, might help manage time during your meetings. The Tailgate Manager app, found at apps.shopify.com/tailgate manager, could assist with organizing and tracking code updates. The Shopify mobile app at apps.shopify.com/Shopify lets you manage your store and make updates from mobile devices. Look for custom Tailgate themes that focus on ease of navigation, mobile optimization, and social media integration to enhance the user experience. Remember to stay up to date with the latest Shopify updates and announcements to ensure compatibility and access to new features. Always test your updates thoroughly in a development environment before making them live to avoid any disruptions to your store. Utilize the Shopify community and forums for support and troubleshooting, leveraging the collective knowledge of the platform's users. For more complex coding needs, consider hiring a Shopify developer to ensure professional and reliable implementation.